What's going on, guys? Welcome back to RC Voodoo. Today I have an unboxing for you. It's the newest release from Onisiki. This is the 1/24th scale rear wheel drive drift car. It's just come in the mail. Went on pre-order on the 19th and delivered today. So it says 124 or 128. That's because it has an adjustable chassis, so it gives you a lot of different options for the body. But it's the Kodama. I guess that's how you pronounce it. So let's just go ahead and open it up. You get the sticker sheet. Instruction manual. It's good to have. This does come pre-built, so you don't have to worry about that. But if you tear it down, do mods, whatever, you do get the build instructions there. Comes with the clear body. To be cut out and painted. Also comes with front and rear bumpers. And it looks like maybe body mounts or something. I'm not exactly sure what that is yet. But what is this? Okay, comes with a little bag of parts. I'm not sure what they are. Might be wheelbase adjustment parts. I'm not sure. Well, there's some magnets, so possibly part of the body mount. Close the box here. So that's it on the box. So we got some twist wraps here. Let me get these loose. Alright, now this does come with the servo. But the rest of the electronics, ESC, gyro, motor, receiver, all that stuff, you'll have to provide yourself. So feels really good. Oh, these are also limited. I got number 842 out of 999, which really kind of disappointing how they do their limited run numbers. I would like the sooner you order, the lower number you get. I don't know why. I've just always liked lower numbers on stuff like this. And I remember when I ordered the Hannya, I pre-ordered that the day I actually think I had the first one in the States, and my number was 190 out of 300, and I ordered on midnight the minute they opened pre-order, and I still got number 190. And people that ordered 2 and 3 weeks later was getting single digit chassis numbers. But it is what it is. $8.42 out of $9.99. It's got the same type of, this is not engraved, it's more like, I don't know, it's not paint, some kind of way they do it, I don't know. It's maybe silk screening or something, but right here's how you adjust the chassis. You loosen these screws, and then you basically just slide the whole thing forward or back to match whatever body you're running. This has the there's no slide rack or anything like that on it. It's direct connect to the servo. You have access to the servo horn right there. But it's carbon chassis. Everything on it is it's metal. Not sure what this is. Oh, that probably holds the yeah. This holds on your battery. The battery goes in the back. So you're going to have a lot of traction with this. That battery's back there by the rear axles. Just giving you a look at it all over. It's lock diff. Yeah. Rolls really smooth. Give you a look at the steering angle here. At full lock, you still, nothing touches, nothing binds. There's no slop, you know, everything feels nice and tight, put together well. Rear shocks feel a little stiff, but there's no battery in it yet, so once you get a battery in there, I think that's going to feel really good. I'm not sure if you can take this this shroud off. I mean, I don't think it needs to be on there for the motor. I mean, there's the motor mount right there. You see the gear back there. Trying to give you every angle that I can. So I've already got some electronics ordered. and this is going to be my first go at the micro drifting. Man, that's smooth. Well, that is it. I just wanted to give everybody a look at it. You see exactly what you get in the box. The last time their servo, I don't know what type of servo that is. It's the other one was, it does have a metal servo horn on there. Like this servo has not got their branding or their graphics on it. But let me get the, here's the body you get with it. Of course, it needs cut out and trimmed, but the bumpers, let me go through these bags. Here's the magnets and some post. And looks like a pinion. One of them almost look like it says to make the wheelbase more narrow. I think that's the yeah, get that. So this is for a more narrow wheelbase, or a wider wheelbase that it comes with. Anyway, and then you get your little Allen wrenches or hex keys, whatever you guys call them. So these are cupped. I don't know if you can see it on the, those are cupped, and these are domed, so they'll snap right in there when you put your body on. One last look at it. Hopefully I get everything on there that you're wanting to see. But here it is. The Onisiki, I don't know how you say that exactly. The Kodama. I think that has something to do with like tree spirits or something. Someone was talking about it, but there it is, guys. I got mine on RC Mart. I'm not sure who else selling them right now, but I'll leave a link for it if you want to go check it out. It's not an affiliate link or anything, but that's going to do it for this one, guys. Until next time, take care.